YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be making this cute baby elephant. So let's look at the things we need to get started. The first item we need is our paraffin wax. I'm hoping to make 2 molds today, so I hope this is enough to make it. So I'm making for 2 customers. So I got this paraffin wax on Temu. If you would love to order your own paraffin wax for your candle making, or if you would love a candle making kit, the link is in the description or in the comment section. Thank you so much for joining me. Now the next thing we need our baby elephant mold. So this is the mold. So right there, let's have this mister here so we know what we're doing. Our candle wicks, there they are. Let's start from the top again. You want to cover your workspace with old newspapers or old files. Guys, you don't want to even imagine the kind of mess this paraffin wax, or in fact waxes in general, the mess they can cause in your kitchen. So you want to cover your workspace, whether it's your kitchen or wherever you're using stuff. So that's our paraffin wax, and those are our wicks. We've got our mold, and we've got our model for today. So we are trying to replicate this design. So you sit there for now. I've also got my essential oil. So in this one I'll be using mango fragrance. Sorry, I thought I was cooking. So that's my fragrance, and I'm just gonna leave it here. Also, we need a thermometer. So I've got that right here. So I've got my mango essential. I'm just gonna pass it through the hole. Oops. Okay, I've got my wick on the other end. So remember, the elephant is upside down. So this was a rough one, so I'm going to attempt to make this one highly invincible today. So baby elephant, you sit here for a while I do this. Safe colorant. So I'm using wax colors. You can get this on Temu as well. It's mixing up beautifully.
We met under the moon so bright, whispered dreams in the still of night. Your eyes, they spoke 1,000 words. In silence my heart, it was stirred. Through the trees your laughter flew, a melody only we knew. Hands entwined we danced till dawn, barefoot on the morning lawn. Oh, the stars aligned for you and me. In this cosmic love we're free. With every breath a song we weave. In your arms my heart believes. of our love.